weather because, I mean, today's hot, and then not only is it warmer tomorrow, but we have 2 first-alert action days.
We do, yeah. Heading into the day tomorrow and Thursday, that's going to be our hottest days of the week. But out there today, we're already starting to notice that change. Temperatures are heating up fast, and a lot of us right now about 5 to 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday afternoon. Right now, sitting at 85 degrees in Sacramento, 84 in Stockton, 83 in Modesto already. We do have a heat advisory that is already in effect across portions of the Bay Area. However, for the rest of us, our heat advisory will kick in through the day tomorrow, and it's going to stay posted up until Friday. So we've got more heat on the way and several days of it. As we take a look at our larger pattern right now, ridge of high pressure building in from the west. That's going to take center stage as we get further into the work week. And as I mentioned, Wednesday and Thursday going to be the hottest days of the week. But it's not just us feeling it here locally. Across the southwest, the west coast, all of us dealing with that heat over the next couple of days. And as we take a look at today, most, especially as you get closer to Northern California, Central California, back into the upper 90s, triple digits. Even as you get closer to Nevada, Phoenix, and Arizona, portions of Utah, all of us feeling the heat with temperatures ranging from the lower 90s up into the triple digits, and yes, some even seeing well above that. As we take a look at highs today, most of us will make it back into the upper 90s, triple digits across the valley floor, on up towards the foothills, a mix of 80s and 90s on tap through the afternoon. The Delta today going to be another hot spot with temperatures back into the triple digits, and even around Truckee, South Lake Tahoe, feeling that heat kicking in with upper 70s and even low 80s on tap. Overall, the next couple of days are going to be hot, but your hottest day is going to be tomorrow and Thursday. We'll really start to feel that heat kicking in throughout the day tomorrow, so just get ready for that. First alert action days across the region as we are dealing with that widespread triple-digit heat, moderate to major heat risk, especially across the valley floor, the foothills, and we're going to keep that in place up until about Friday before heat starts to scale back just a bit more. Warm overnight temperatures too, so not a lot of relief as we head into the evening. Plenty of sunshine over the next couple of days is going to lock in a lot of this dry conditions too. Fire danger is going to be high. By the time we hit Friday, we're still holding on to the triple digits. Up through Saturday and Sunday, we'll start to notice a change of pace with temperatures getting a bit better. But it's not going to be until next week that we really start to feel that cooler air arriving yet again, with temperatures getting back into the mid to upper 80s come Monday and Tuesday. Even across the foothills and Sierra, the next couple of days are going to be quite warm. Temperatures back into the upper 90s, triple digits throughout the finish of the work week. By the time we hit Friday, we will have the chance of a few isolated thunderstorms across the Sierra. Definitely something to keep an eye on if you do have any outdoor plans heading into the weekend. Temperatures are still going to be warm heading into the start of the weekend. Upper 70s by Saturday, low 90s across the foothills come Saturday and Sunday. But by next week, temperatures getting a bit better. A bit more cloud cover starts to move in by Monday and Tuesday, especially across the Sierra, with temperatures back into the upper 70s, low 70s come next week. But it's really going to be until we get to next week that we'll start to feel that change. Even across the next couple of nights, temperatures are going to be warm during the overnight hours, so you can't even open up your windows, let that cooler air in, as we're going to be staying in the heat over the next couple of days. So Dom, although we've moved into September, that August, July heat, it's here to stay.
I know, we want to break from these energy bills. My God.
I know, right?
All right.